Okay, for next exercise, I want to give a life to this colorless picture. Before everything, I'm going to adjustment curve and create a new curve. I want to darken the highlight color. I think it's good. I close it. After that, I create a new layer by this icon. I click it and then choose my color to black. My background color is black. After that, by press Alt plus backspace key in my keyboard, I make my picture full of black and white. But don't worry, set your mood layer to color dodge. Very good. Actually, I want to create a combination where the yellow color is more visible. Go to the brush tool, click the brush tool, and then choose a yellow brush. For example, light yellow like this. I think it's good. Not dark yellow. Light yellow is better because we want to create shine. We want to create a yellow light. We want to create a light yellow. Actually, close your color, and I want to increase my brush size. My soft round brush size is 60. I think for my picture it's okay. My flow is 5 and my smoothing is 5 too. Okay. My opacity is full. So I brush some part of this hair. And I brush everywhere. Very good. I painting this picture. Actually, I think so. Very nice. It's as if light shines from the girl's hair. I decrease my brush size a little, so it's better. Very good. And then when you are sure your painting it's enough, after that create a new solid color. Go to the adjustment and create a solid color. Your code, you can choose every color as you want, but in this tutorial I want to create a sunshine or a light yellow shine to your painting. After that, I think my light orange is better, so I tell you a code for this picture, and for your solid color FF CA and 65 it's okay, and you can change it if you want, for example to a darker or another thing. I think it's good, so I'm click OK and set my mood solid color to violet. Very good, and it's good, but not my favorite. I click to my mask solid color. It's my mask solid color. I click it. It's active right now. And by click Ctrl plus I by my brush tool, and my color brush is white. Why it's white? Because my mask layer is black. After that, I brush some part of this painting because I want to create some shine in this picture. Right there. And then. I brush some darkness part in this picture. Very good. Or a little hair. No, I think it's not good. Just for dress. That's enough. But you can more brushing if you want. And a little face. Very good, I think it's done, and you can use this technique for every picture, and you can choose other color, not certainly yellow. You can use another color. For example, if I want to change my solid color, I can change it. For example, to blue, to yellow, to other color. I'll show you. But I want to choose it to a yellow one. Then click OK.